What if I told you that the very first part of your body to quietly weaken is not your heart and not your brain, but your legs? And by the time you actually notice it, it might already be too late. Because weak legs don't just mean tired muscles. They mean much slower movement, higher risk of falling, and even a shorter lifespan. Yeah, it really is that serious. But here is the good news. You can fight back right now. And today, I'm going to show you the 6 foods that can strengthen your legs fast. Get ready to upgrade your mobility and transform your strength. Let us begin. Meet Daniel, 35 years old, works a busy desk job. No major health problems, just your typical guy. He noticed something very strange. Walking up the stairs felt much harder than it used to. Standing for too long, his legs literally started shaking like jelly. Even worse, after a long day, his knees felt like they were made of fragile glass. At first, he completely ignored it. Just tired, he said. But weeks later, it only got worse. And that is when he finally realized the scary truth. His legs were not just tired, they were actively weakening. This is a quiet problem millions face every single day. Daily sedentary habits slowly drain muscle power right under our nose. Sitting for hours at a time reduces active blood flow to lower limbs. And ignored early warning signs turn into serious mobility struggles. Here is what most people don't know about human biology. Your legs contain the largest muscle groups in your entire body. They are directly responsible for your movement, balance, and stability. But they are also the very first to decline when your body lacks nutrients. Especially as you get older, or sit for hours every single day, or when you live under constant, non-stop daily stress. Muscle mass starts decreasing quietly without you feeling it. Blood flow slows down, depriving vital tissues of oxygen. Joints slowly lose their essential natural fluid lubrication, and nerve signals become weaker and much slower. And suddenly, your legs just don't respond the way they used to. That is why strengthening them isn't just about intense exercise. It's fundamentally about what you eat. Proper nutrition provides the exact building blocks your legs need. Without these essential nutrients, workouts simply won't fix the problem. So let us fix that today. Starting with food number 1. Spinach. Yeah, the exact same one you probably hated as a kid. Turns out, it is one of the single most powerful foods for your legs. Why? Because it is absolutely packed with dietary nitrates. These natural compounds significantly increase blood flow to your muscles. More blood flow equals a continuous surge of oxygen. More oxygen directly equals much stronger muscle performance. In fact, scientific studies show nitrates can boost muscle efficiency, meaning your legs use less energy to produce more work. Translation: far less fatigue and far more real leg strength. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie or daily salad. Your legs will thank you within days. Next up, food number 2. Nature's perfect ultimate muscle builder. Eggs are loaded with complete, high-quality bioavailable protein. And even more importantly, they are packed with leucine. Leucine is the vital amino acid that directly triggers muscle growth. Without enough leucine, your leg muscles slowly break down over time. That exact process is what causes chronic leg weakness. Eating just 2 to 3 eggs a day helps your body constantly rebuild muscle, keeping your legs strong, firm, and super responsive. Simple, extremely powerful. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, they all work wonders. Add them to your daily routine starting tomorrow morning. Food number 3, fatty fish, like wild salmon, mackerel, or fresh sardines. These are overflowing with powerful omega-3 fatty acids. Now here is where the true magic happens for your leg joints. Omega-3s aggressively reduce inflammation inside your knee joints. Because weak legs aren't just about soft muscles, they are about pain, stiff knees, sore tendons, and restricted range of motion. Omega-3 acts like premium lubricant oil for your joint cartilage. Smoother movement, less friction pain, and better overall mobility. You regain natural comfort without relying on daily pain pills. Eat fatty fish twice a week to keep joints gliding smoothly, and your leg joints will thank you almost instantly. Food number 5, almonds. Small nut, but insanely powerful for your lower body. They are packed with bioavailable magnesium, and magnesium plays a massive role in overall muscle function. Low magnesium, you get sudden, agonizing leg cramps, tightness, Charlie horses, and sudden muscle lockup. Sound familiar to you? Magnesium helps your muscles relax and contract properly. It also supports instant nerve signals from brain to feet, so your brain and legs communicate instantly without lag. Just one handful a day prevents those scary leg-giving out moments. Food number 5, Greek yogurt. This creamy superfood is your ultimate bone armor. It is ultra-rich in bioavailable calcium and high-quality protein. Calcium strengthens your bones to easily carry your full body weight. Weak bones lead directly to unstable, shaky legs. But Greek yogurt also contains living active probiotics. These probiotics dramatically improve total nutrient absorption, meaning everything else you eat works twice as well. Stronger bones, faster recovery, and rock-solid balance. A single cup a day gives you incredible structural support. And finally, food number bananas. The ultimate natural anti-cramp weapon. Bananas are overflowing with essential potassium electrolytes. Potassium regulates precise fluid balance deep inside your muscle tissue. Without enough potassium, your leg muscles lock up and fail suddenly. One banana a day helps your muscles contract effortlessly. Fast energy, instant muscle support, and zero painful cramps. Now imagine combining all 6 of these incredible foods in your weekly diet. Your muscles grow stronger and your joints glide effortlessly. Your nerves fire instantly and your bones become rock solid. And your legs feel as youthful and powerful as they did years ago. No shaking, no sudden weakness, no fear of falling. Feed your legs these essential nutrients today. Like, subscribe for more simple health hacks, and comment below which food you are adding first. Stay strong.